In this video, we bring to you a contemporary container dwelling in Maryland, United States. This container home is sitting on a wonderful 1-acre lot in the heart of Deep Creek Lake. The house is built using 2 shipping containers placed side by side and welded together to create 680 square feet of habitable space. The containers are covered by an elevated lean-to roof, which accommodates a loft space accessible via a separate stairway and doorway. A well-crafted front door opens into an open-plan living room with a kitchen, dining, and lounge space. To eliminate the idea of living in a container box, the inner container walls are cut out to create an expansive open-plan living space. At the entrance, there is a rustic coat rack and a shoe bench. This is a nice place to pull all your trapping gear down and just go into the house feeling clean. These unique and industrial design elements together bring out a distinctive living and contemporary and flair. An additional front space immediately from the main entrance is cozy with a lounge space fitted with a comfortable set of sofa seats adorned with throw pillows. The modern kitchen in the house boasts full-size stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, under the counter and overhead storage cabinets. The kitchen is flooded with natural light from the kitchen window, which also illuminates the area around the sink. A door from the kitchen opens onto a covered rear patio with a hot tub for relaxing after a long day on the lake or Wisp Mountain. Past the chef's quality kitchen is a cozy dining area that can comfortably sit 4. The big glass window on the side of the dining lights up the dining space with a clear view of the outdoors. Next to the kitchen is a compact guest bathroom with all bathroom essentials. Off the living area is a short hallway that leads to the bedrooms and the full bathroom. The green painted full bathroom features a shower cubicle, a vanity with storage, a toilet, and a bathroom window to light up the bathroom space. Next to the bathroom is a laundry alcove. Past the full bathroom is the first bedroom that features a comfortable double bed with lots of pillows for good night rest and good-sized windows for ventilation and daylighting. The second bedroom is equally warm and cozy, fitted with a comfortable double bed and a good-sized window for natural lighting. Luxury vinyl flooring unifies these indoor spaces, offering both style and practicality. The industrial finish is the main decorative style in the house. It uses the rawness of metal corrugated sheets on the ceiling as an industrial charm. The interior walls are covered in white painted shiplap to create this illusion of big indoor spaces. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are left exposed and painted in blue. The bright colored exterior and the additional loft space lined with wooden shingles makes this building an existence that cannot be ignored. Which part of this amazing container dwelling appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.